Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute little cat hat. I made it child size. It's fits 3 years to 5 years. I use ribbing stitch so it could loosen up, and I used this yarn. It's Nako Sports Wool. That's a bulky yarn. I used 6mm hook with it. I used one ball of yarn for this size, and one ball is 120 meters, 100 grams, and it's wool and acrylic yarn. It's so easy to make, even a beginner can easily make it. And you can make it for adult too. It's so easy to adjust. I will explain how you make it in the video, and I hope you like it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. I made a part like that. Now I will show you how to make this with another color, cause I almost finished this yarn. And it's so simple. Actually, we used this before. It's a simple half double crochet ribbing. I will chain 39. You can make it as long as you want. I could give you the measurements so you can adjust it as you like. I have 28 centimeters, 11 inch here. I'll make my chains and turn back to you. When you complete your chains, turn your chains like that. Skip this first one, yarn over, insert into the second stitch back bump here, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through into the next, make a half double crochet, into the next, make a half double crochet. Go ahead and just put one half double crochet into the chains. See you at the end. At the end, I will make one last half double crochet, chain one, turn. We will make half double crochets again, but only use back loops. That's the front loop and back loop. Make a half double crochet. Sorry. Use only back loops, and there will be this line with this way. See you at the end again. I'm at the end, and I will make the last half double crochet into this chain. Chain one, turn, and use the back loops again. And keep repeating this. That's all. For how many rows? I could tell you now. I made it for 30 rows. I could give you the measurements too. It's 38 centimeters, 15 inch. Don't forget, it will loosen up. Okay, that's elastic as it can. Now we will join these two parts together. That's my starting point, finishing point. Insert from this first stitch. Grab the yarn, make a chain. Insert both loops. Insert only back loop. Make a slip stitch. Both loops, back loop, slip stitch. Both loops, back loop, slip stitch. Keep joining. I join 10 stitches with this way, and this will be the part we will fold like that. Okay, starting from here I will keep joining from this side. Okay, just turn it. And now you can use both loops. Grab this yarn, make a chain, insert into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch, slip stitch, just keep joining with this way. It will look like that. That's the right side of our work. Okay? See you at the end. When you complete joining here, we will keep going and join this part too. And for this, insert into the sides, make a single crochet. You can join with single crochet or slip stitch. Just try to put these lines next to each other like that. There is no specific way to make this, so take your time, don't hurry and join here. You can make it like that. Put one here, one here, one here. You can use 3 single crochets between these two lines. Okay, that's the first one, second, third, and again. One, two, three, and just keep joining. You can use yarn needle too, of course. You can just sew it too, I will join here, then see you. When you reach to the end, just cut the yarn. And we need a big fat yarn needle. I will use this one. And cut the yarn. Now turn this head inside out. That's the right side of our work. And now we will sew here and give the shape of this head. I will use some stitch markers. I could see if it's equal or not. It's 7 and 7, so that's nice. Seven and 7. Let me check. Yeah. Now I will start from here and sew here, then here. I didn't make any knots here. I will hide the tail later. Okay. No. It's not good. When you finish here, just excuse it. It's so hard to turn for me. Okay, make it like that. And you can make some knots here. Hide this tail nicely so it will not open easily. Hide this one too. and make the same things for the other side. And that's all. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address and it's also my Pinterest website address too. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.